Hello, if you're watching this, it's because I finished this video, which is going to be a quick tutorial on how to set up FFmpeg to capture your screen and record the audio from your microphone. This is FFmpeg. It is an AV utility that's really useful for audio-visual capturing on your computer. Two things I use it for are capturing video from the webcam and the audio from the microphone, as well as screen captures or video captures from the screen. So right here, as you can see, I'm using FFmpeg on Mac, and so I'm going to download it first. You can install it from various different sources, but I found that the easiest way to install it is here using a download package available on their site. I selected Mac and the static builds. From there, just click on it. It should give you an option to download it right here. I downloaded it as DMG, and it was downloaded, as we can see right here. It's pretty simple install, but you end up basically decompressing this file and with FFmpeg itself mounted in your volume folder. So once you get it downloaded in your downloads folder, just double click this. It'll probably tell you that you can't install it because it's from an unknown source, and you're just going to go to security preferences and then go down to general, click on the system preferences, then go to security and privacy, then click on the general tab and then select allow. Just confirm it and allow it to install. From there, it'll basically mount it in your volumes folder, which you can get to in the terminal. And I'll have to open a new terminal so I don't kill this video recording. And then we're going to go to volumes FFmpeg. And in here we'll see an executable binary file that we can run to use FFmpeg. Now, I did a little bit of troubleshooting earlier to come up with the right commands necessary. And right now, you can see the output. It's been recording here for a while. Show you the most recent command that's executing exactly what we're looking at right now. Hope you can hear that. Those are fireworks in the background because it's the 4th of July. Happy 4th of July. So, I'm just going to paste this here. Oops, and we're starting to write one. We're just going to say, no, we don't want to record again. And I just want to show you the command. So this itself is a command that we're going to execute. You have a // to execute the binary file, and then -F to force the format, which in this instance is AV Foundation. I had a previous version of FFmpeg installed that was actually installed via the Linux package manager, and it did not include AV Foundation, and made trying to use this quite a bit of a pain. I spent maybe half an hour or so trying to get it right, and MacOs, Apple strongly suggests using AV Foundation, and so does FFmpeg. So I went and uninstalled that and then reinstalled from the download that I showed you earlier. So now that I have AV Foundation, I can use it, and then -I is going to select the input. This is basically your devices, your device index. We have the first one for your video and the second one for your audio. Now, this is in the first, position 1 in the index. If it's 0, it's actually your webcam, or it was for me. It most likely is for you. 1 will get the screen capture, and here 0 is microphone audio. I believe 1 would be a line in, if there was. I only have a headphone jack. Anyways, that, as you can see, is in parentheses, and then we have the output file format, which I chose MP4 because it's a good video format So once you press that, you should be good to go. The only other command that I've experimented with right now is the one that I use to run the webcam capture, which I believe is just about right here somewhere. Was that it? No. There it is. And as you can see, it's basically the exact same. Here, again, /FFMPEG, -F for the format AV Foundation, a -I. I did not put the input in parentheses here, and it still worked this time. So you don't have to put parentheses around your inputs, but you can. And then here, oh, a little note, I wrote ~out.mp4 because the volume it's mounted to is not writable. So you'll want to write to a location that you can. And your home directory tends to be okay. So that's it. Let's see where we're at. It's still running. And I think I'm just going to kill this right now, take a look at the size of it and the quality of this little tutorial, and then maybe do some editing, maybe just throw it up on YouTube and see what happens, see if anybody actually watches this and gets help, because I think this could save you some time. Anyways, later.